spent money on this?
It was like $5. Oh my god.
Wasted $5 of your life.
It goes everywhere.
It has nothing. No hair, no eyes, barely a nose.
See how my niece do me? Dog me. But welcome to the unboxing of Kurumi, because this is my spirit animal. Favorite scenario of all times. And I'm telling you, like, spirit animal to a T. So let's get into this, because trust me, it was a process. This was just the easy part.
Yeah, make your come first, would I never take a loss, take a loss, take a loss. The girl says she wants spit food in her bumbo class. She want go up here just to sit down and talk. She want a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And you know she not ask so much. She says she love yard, call the article, we full of ice, but you know we talk to us. I'm under the daddy like a funeral. So I charge it, girl, wind up on my body, girl. Why like it's a carnival? Girl, me love the way you.
What the fuck is this?
It's a Switch game.
Bro, you really spent money on this?
It was like $5. Oh my god. Just chill.
You wasted $5 of your life.
It goes everywhere.
It has nothing. No hair, no eyes, barely a nose.
You know what this is, Hannah?
It looks like Hannah.
Oh, that's Mitski?
See?
Of course Hannah does.
I'm not the one that's like, that is the hula hoop.
You should give me one.
No, I give up. You got that.
Charge it.
Charge it.
Yeah.
Girl, how you charging it?
Oh, so it glows.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Shekel. So you wasted $5 on a little ugly thing and didn't know
It
how to
helps
do it?
me calm down.
That thing helps you
When
calm
I
down.
want to do work, I just
What do you do? Look at it?
Today's episode. Until next time.